All right, welcome you to our mathematics class. We have a question from JAM 2001, number 11, which says, find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line y equal to 2x plus 1 and passing through a point 3, comma 1. Now, from this equation, we're looking for another equation of the other line, which is perpendicular to this one. Okay? In other words, we're dealing with two gradients. Now, from take note, general form of the equation should be y equal to mx plus c. Okay, equating this to y equal to 2x plus 1, we can see that our m1 is equal to what? 2. Okay, now the gradient, this is the gradient of the first line of equation. The second gradient, m2, we have to look for it. But since the two lines are perpendicular, so we say for perpendicular lines, okay, m1 times m2 is equal to minus 1. Take note that for parallel lines, m1 is equal to what? M2. Now let's go over to this now. Okay, we said m1 is 2, so we have 2 m2 equal to minus 1. In other words, m2 equal to minus 1 over 2. Now, another value we're given, a variable we're given this question is x1. Take note, this is our x1, this is our y1. Okay, that will be x1 equal to 3 and y1 equal to 1. We're going to use one of the equations to arrive at our value. Okay, take note, we use y minus y1 equal to m2. We're looking for the equation of the second line now, into bracket x minus x1. Okay, you remember this formula is something as saying gradient equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Just that in this case, we are making use of this x and y. Because we have to get the equation right. All right, so we represent our values. Okay, we are looking for the straight line equation. So this is y minus what? 1 equal to minus 1 over 2, which is our gradient, into bracket x minus what? Our x1 is 3. So we can multiply through cross multiply using 2. So on this side, we have 2 into bracket y minus 1 equal to minus 1 into bracket x minus 3. It's quite simple. I usually ensure I make questions as simple as I can and while solving them. Okay, so I'll rub off something here. I'll rub off this part so I'll be able to give us a final answer. We open the brackets for this, so we'll have 2y minus 2 equal to minus x plus 3. Okay, 2 times y, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus 1 times minus 3 is plus 3. All right, so we now simplify further. We have 2y is equal to minus x. Okay, minus 2 comes over here, that becomes plus 5. All right, so to get the overall equation, we have to divide everything by 2. Okay, this by 2, this by 2. Okay, I hope you're paying attention. Finally, our answer becomes y equal to minus 1 over 2x plus 5 over 2. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class.